Opening na! Opening na! Kamo! Opening! Dali!
Hi, Korean subscriber!
Hoy! Kuan! Christine!
Guys!
Hi, Korean subscriber. Thank you so much. And thank you, Mr. Home Baked Dough Gansamida for the sponsoring Kendra Sophie to buy milk. Thank you so much, Gansamida. Thank you. I'm here now in Gaisano. I buy Bonakit. The price is $9.53. And diaper also I buy. Thank you so much. Hello, Mr. Hong Bigdo. Thank you so much. This money 4,000 for Kendra Sophie so that I buy milk 1.6 kilograms. I buy 2 box and also diapers, alcohol. I buy also grocery, snacks, Yakult, Sito, chicken, and hot dogs. Thank you, Mr. Home Bigdo. Thank you so much for the sponsor of Kendra Sophie. Kendra Sophie, sleeping. Hello, sir. Kendra, sleeping. Thank you so much. This is the receipt, Mr. Jin Kim. And also this one. The money, remaining money, sir. 340, 60, 80, 90. 400 peso and 75 centavos. That's all, Mr. Jin Kim. Thank you, Mr. Hong Bigdo. Thank you so much. God bless. Have a nice day. Opening na! Opening na! Kamo! Opening! Dali!
Hi, Korean subscriber!
Hoy! Kuan! Christine!
Guys!
Hello, subscribers! Good morning!
Dito tao? Natuyok naman na diya. Dito ba? Ay mo ba? Baklay pa nun sa Jasper? Ato na sa bulog ta. Mabaklay ta. Magpusit ta. Nagita. Ta.
Father of Ginny, he dance. Bi, dali na, Bi. Dito. Dito ka na. Happy Fiesta! Bonbon!
Happy Fiesta, everyone!
Ginny always eat because yesterday you did not tell eat Ginny, Mr. Jin Kim, so that now she eat now. Sure. Yeah. Jenny! Hi! Hello, subscribers! Safa! Opa! Hello! Magkailo sa mga Hi, Korean subscribers!
Pwede siya mataas, me? Pwede siya mataas?
Taas nga. Mana?